Finally guys, it's official. Huawei has confirmed the launch of the much-awaited Pura 80 series. Yup, the next-gen flagship is just around the corner. After so many leaks, rumors, and speculations, Richard Yu, the chairman of Huawei's Consumer Business Group, has officially confirmed that the Pura 80 series is set to launch next month. He confirmed this news during a session at the Southern University of Science and Technology. And not just that, he also revealed that the Nova 14 series is launching on May 19th. So yeah, it's back-to-back action from Huawei. Now, while Richard didn't drop an exact launch date for the Pura 80 series, multiple leaks, including one from Smart Pikachu, are pointing toward a launch by the end of June. And honestly, that makes sense. The stage is being set and Huawei looks ready to surprise everyone once again. But let's talk about the exciting part, the features. Because this time, Huawei is going all in. The Pura series is already famous for stunning design and next-level camera performance, and it looks like Huawei is taking things even further with the Pura 80. The new flagship will reportedly come with an upgraded Kirin 9020 chip. It's not just a minor bump. Huawei is optimizing it hard to deliver a major performance boost, better speed, smoother multitasking, and of course improved 5G performance. But the biggest highlight? The camera. The Pura 80 is expected to bring some serious upgrades here. New camera module, faster shooting, more precise image quality, and powerful new imaging features. Huawei is also working on improving anti-shake and video stabilization. That means whether you're snapping pics or shooting videos, the quality is going to be solid. And let's not forget, this is the same company that brought us the Pura X Foldable, a phone that completely stunned users with its photography power and futuristic design. So expectations for the Pura 80 series are sky high, and it seems like Huawei knows it. So yeah, the software and hardware are reportedly fully ready. We're now just counting down the days until Huawei drops one of the biggest flagship phones of 2025. Get ready guys, Huawei Pura 80 is coming, and it might just be the best Huawei phone yet. What do you think about it? Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.